Here we have a 2018 Scout 320 LXF, one owner, bought new at the 2019 Detroit Boat Show. Always fresh water, always right here, Lake St. Clair, Lake Erie. A pair of Mercury 350 Verados. Needless to say, counter-rotating stainless steel props, transom door, gorgeous lines, bow filler cushion with removable table, hard top, full electronics, Garmin radar, camera, transom seat, double wide helm, Mercury joystick, Axios, piloting. The 320 LXF is one of Scout's more serious fishing boats. Nice 3-screen display, Psionics, low light vision camera, all 3 Garmin displays. Nifty little head compartment below. Very nice boat. It's at the Harrison Township location.